InfoComm 2026. I'm going to introduce you our ST-300 presentation timer system. The system consists of five different parts. We have a controller system. With the controller, you can set the speech time with the presets, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and you can send the blink message to the speaker. You can adjust the remaining time, stop and play button. We also have a player box with an HDMI output, so you can connect to any monitor and turn the monitor to a timer display. And this is for the podium display. The system works in wireless and wired mode. We have a switcher system, so you can connect all the devices to each other with the wired mode. And in wireless mode, it works. The maximum distance is 100 meters, and this is for the stage display. And the good things about the product is the system works in two modes, local and remote. If you select local mode, the display turns to a standalone timer system without needing a controller. And the product comes with a hard case, especially suitable for rental and event business. For more information, please visit our website, temastechnology.com. Thank you.